Sure, I think that's a fair. I think what people want is, at least our customers want, ease of access to their money. And if you take our T-Mobile customers, they're brand affinity. They're interested in promoting the T-Mobile brand. So we do see in the U.S. that is still prevalent. One thing in the U.S. that the rest of the world's embraced is kind of this concept of a super app, right? So why can't I do banking where I buy my groceries, right? That type of symbiotic, relationship. So, that speaks to, our investment in what we built at BMTX. We basically rewrote our platform from the ground up 2 years ago. We sit on top of our transaction processing is still that legacy banking infrastructure I talked about from a core provider. Our core that we connect to is 42 years old. And we've created an extension of that core that we've written our own APIs that interface to that legacy system. And then we built our infrastructure on all Web 3.0 technology. So decentralized development, right? So there's this concept of decentralized finance. But to me, as a CTO, that starts with the architecture and design principles. Our design of our front end. So, front end is a web and mobile, right? We're a bank, but digital, no branches. Our only way to interact with our customers are through web and mobile, right? Yeah. And we've been able to abstract that and create an ecosystem that allows us to quickly innovate, even though we're anchored to the legacy system below us and anchored to a traditional community bank for the deposits. Right. So we believe that the surviving fintechs globally will be ones that can adapt to that type of infrastructure, that type of a delivery model, so that they can answer the customer's requests. I'll give you one near example for BMTX, and Contest was part of this. So some of the Contest resources that we have employed were part of this. So we launched on April 6th, we took our Bank Mobile Vibe checking account and moved it from a IaaS legacy infrastructure running Oracle and Java to today PAS SQL, .NET, and JSON, common language, and running in an AKS service, consuming all microservices, and with Web 3.0 principles built throughout. And when we did that, so we went live in April 6th. The number one thing our customers had asked for in surveys was a rewards engine. So when you swipe your debit card, could you subscribe to rewards at certain vendors and get cash back and certain perks? And on the old technology, impossible. I don't think things are impossible. I'm an optimistic person generally, but I will tell you, technically, that would have been an amazing lift to be able to build that. So the technology changed. What I call platform transformation we undertook allowed us to launch a partnership with a company called Card, KARD in the US.